Hello, my name is Sandra Teta. Today I'm here to talk about a few things I've been seeing on social media. And I would start off by thanking everyone that tried to reach out to me to find out if I was doing okay and kids. And secondly, I would go on saying I would really love to appreciate the efforts of Daniela, our team, and Mama Ghetto. However much, I would kindly ask them to step down of my family issues for now, because enough is enough right now. Because whatever campaign they're doing or whatever post they're doing are being run on speculations and rumors. Because
yo Rasta wagwan, yeah, me doing fine. Bambi Rasta nayogera nawe luli nga njogera ne Rasta ayi empologoma enzo okwogera ne mukyala waayo newulira naye ndowooza mukyala wo y'empologoma. Gamba mukyala wo ave mu famire yange nkusaba busabi. Gamba mukyala wo weba y'empologoma nga gwe empologoma enkazi nja kya understandinga. Gamba mukyala wo tamanyi gye tuvudde. Gw'olina omanyi oli munaku nganze omanyi gye tuvudde. Gamba mukyala wo tamanyi mukyala wange nange simumanyi sagala namumanya. Control ajja biteeka ku next level kuba tayina evidence beyond reasonable doubt. Nja mukwata defamation. Yeah, thank you.
posts they're doing are being run on speculations and rumors, because none of them really bothered to call me and ask me what was really going on or even ask if I was doing okay. Because in this context, I would actually address Daniela, because she's family. But you know, how do you start posting one post, second post without calling someone to really know if whatever you're talking about is real, or if she's doing good, or if she's, I don't know how you start posting that. But other than that, I would really, really kindly ask them to step out of my family business and let me handle it as me, Sandra Teta, because this is my family you're talking about. And another thing, in this whole campaign, you are bringing down the brand Sandra Teta. I worked so hard to be who I am today, and as well as Weasel as well. So I would ask